This is Sharika UR14CS122. Today we are going to see about two security tools, that is firewalls and IDS and IPS. First we'll see about firewall. So firewall is actually a device that is present between a private network and a public network. A firewall can be implemented either as a hardware or software or both. Firewalls can prevent unauthorized internet users from accessing private network. So this is how. So from a private network everything can go outside, but from a public network, that is the internet, it is filtered only a few pure data, that is unaffected data, which is unsafe doesn't come in. Only the safe data comes in. Then in firewalls we use packet filters. So what the packet filtering router does is it examines the IP packet. It looks into its source, its destination address, its ports, its transport protocol, and then it allows or it forwards or discards the packet. So the advantage is it is simplified, it is transparent, and it travels in a faster speed. And there are two types of firewall: application level firewall and stateful inspection firewall. So in application level firewall, we have the ability to examine the payload of the packet and make decisions based on the content. Then in stateful inspection firewall, it keeps track of the state of the network connection, such as TCP streams, UDP communications, and all that stuff. And now the next security tool is IPS and IDS or IPS systems. IDS stands for Intrusion Detection System and IPS stands for Intrusion Prevention System, which detects and if possible prevents activities that compromise the security or if it's a hacking attempt. And then IDS or IPS monitors servers or network for suspicious activity and alerts the system manager when these activities are detected. And there are two types of IDS IPS system, that is network based system and host based system. So network based system is typically placed in a central firewall, a core switch, or a DMZ router. So what it does is it is placed within a network and it monitors the traffic to and fro from all devices in the network. It is not part of a network flow, so it is not part of flow. It just looks at it, so it cannot be detected by the hackers. And next is the host-based IDS. The host-based IDS are placed on individual servers, whereas the in network-based IDS is placed in a network, in the center of a network, whereas the host-based IDS is placed in network devices such as servers or network devices and monitors the traffic flow. And it also monitors if there is alteration in files and all that. So a good place for HIDS is critical server or a server that can be reached from the internet. So for example, it can be placed in a web server, a email server, or FTP server. So this is all about network security tools, firewall, IDS, IPS. Thank you.